Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to upload and view the debtor documents. The documents that are uploaded are divided between debtor and patient documents. The debtor documents function is used to scan any documents applicable to the debtor or a main member who is responsible for the account. The debtor documents are the documents which are needed for the practice which is required for the debtor. For example, medical aid card, proof of residence or signed terms and conditions of the practice. Let us go over the debtor documents and the upload documents function. On the diary screen, click on the desired booking. The diary sidebar will open on the right hand side of the screen. Scroll down on the sidebar and click on the Add Document button. The uploaded document screen will open. Next, we will go over the Save Documents function. If there are any debtor documents or files that has been uploaded and saved for the debtor, they will display under the Save Documents section. Click on the Document Class drop-down to select the class for the documents that the user wishes to upload. The document class will specify who the documents are uploaded for. The Document Class drop-down will open. For all the options, click on the All options to upload documents for both the debtor or patient. Or if the user would rather upload a document to the patient, select the patient option. Click on the Printouts option to upload signed estimates. For example, printouts are any documents that the practice has sent to the patient to sign or accept, for example. If the user wishes to upload documents only to the debtor, select the debtor option. The hard copy can be placed in the debtor's file or uploaded under the Upload Documents function. Click on the Document Type drop-down arrow to select the type of documents that the user wishes to upload. The documents type specifies the type of documents that are uploaded. The Document Type drop-down menu will open. To upload any documents related to the financial or personal or practice, click on the All options. The user may also upload documents related to the practice, for example the signed terms and conditions. If the user wishes to use the option, click on the Practice option. Or if the user rather wishes to upload documents related to the personal details of the debtor, for example ID or medical aid card, click on the Personal option. If there are any other documents that doesn't fit the other type options, the user may click on the New Type option. If the user wishes only to upload documents related to the financial side of the debtor, for example invoices or estimates, click on the Financial option. Tick the Show Deleted Files checkbox to display the documents or files that were uploaded. But the deleted files or documents will only show files if there are any. Next, we will go over the Save Documents fields. The full information will display when a document or file is uploaded and saved on the debtor file. The file field is the file that is the actual file that is uploaded in PDF, PNG or JPG format. The file displays the file name as it is saved on the computer it is uploaded from. The description field is the name the user completed for the document or file which was uploaded. The type field contains the document type, financial or personal or practice that was selected when the document or file was uploaded. The size field is the size of the document or file in kilobytes. The upload date field will display the date and time the user uploaded the document or file into the system. Next, we will go over the Documents Outstanding function. Click on the Upload button to upload a new or updated document or file. The document upload screen will open. For more information on how to upload the document or file, please refer to the Document Upload User Manual linked in the video's description. If the user wishes to save the upload or update document, click on the Save button. Or if the user prefers to cancel the upload document process without saving, click on the Close button. Lastly, we will discuss the Documents Outstanding function. If there are any debtor documents or files that are outstanding and not yet uploaded for the debtor, the files will display as not yet uploaded under the Outstanding Documents section. The following information will display when a document or file is not yet uploaded. The file field is the file which is the document uploaded in PDF, PNG or JPG format. The file displays the file name as it is saved on the computer it is uploaded from. The description field is the name the user completed for the document or file which was uploaded. The description will always display NA as there is no file uploaded as yet. File field is the file which is the document uploaded in PDF, PNG or JPG format. The type field contains the document type, financial or personal or practice that was selected when the document or file was uploaded. The size field is the size of the document or file in kilobytes. The upload date field will display the date and time the user uploaded the document or file into the system. Click on the Add New button to upload a new document or file. The document upload screen will open. For more information regarding how to upload a document or file, please refer to the Document Upload User Manual linked in the video's description. To exit the Upload Document tab, click on the Close button. The diary screen will open.